Ukonga.
Ukonga Ojekere, my lord. UKONGA-OJEIKERE.
Okay, for the claimant.
For the claimant, my lord.
Yes. Yes, Mr.
Yes, my lord. C initial, Opara, O-P-A-R-A. With me, my lord is T Akwali. My lord Akwali is A-K-W-A-L-I. We humbly announce appearance for the defendant.
Yes.
What is the position? Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. We have a pending application before the court, and subject to the convenience of the court, we'd like to move same.
Yes, Mr. Opara, have you filed? Are you ready? Have you filed any counter? Yes, Mr. Opara.
My lord, yes, my lord. I don't know what happened. We are just seeing that motion today, and is a motion seeking to amend. My lord, is a motion seeking to amend and bring new relief and new course of action in a matter that had been concluded over 2-3 years ago. My lord, definitely is overreaching to the defendant, unless after amendment we go back and start filing the reply and respond to it, and then start trial all over.
That's the problem, yes. That's
my lord, is overreaching, my lord. Is overreaching. I just read it, my lord. Is a matter, somebody filed the matter in the court. After judgment is given against him, he now wants to bring the court of action in that court.
No. Is it after judgment or after?
Yes, my lord, there was a judgment in that court. The court declined jurisdiction. We now want to bring the relief sought in another court, to bring it in the one that's been concluded. My lord, it doesn't work that way.
Which court? Which court gave the judgment?
It's the High Court of Lagos State. That's what I just read.
Okay, about what? It gave judgment about what?
My lord.
Judgment. Okay.
No,
my lord, if I may comment. Okay.
Huh?
As a court,
Mr. Opara, I can hear you can continue. Judgment was given by the Lagos State High Court declining jurisdiction or what?
Yes, my lord. Over some issues or some dispute they have with the claimant had with the defendant in relation to his employment.
Okay. When was judgment given by the Lagos State High Court?
My lord, from that affidavit evidence I can see, it appears to be 2024.
Okay, 2 years ago.
Yes, my lord. By that time, my lord, we have concluded and filed all our addresses. The trial in this one has been concluded. I don't know now why they want to take steps to amend and bring in that one that was rejected in another court.
Anyway, yes, Stephanie.
Yes, my lord. My lord, the previous court ruled that they lacked jurisdiction to hear this matter, and which is why it was brought before the present court, the National Industrial Court.
When was that? When did the court say it didn't have jurisdiction?
Hello, my lord.
Stephanie, was it during the pendency of this suit that the Lagos State High Court delivered its judgment?
I think that was last year, my lord.
It's during the pendency of this suit, isn't it?
Yes, my lord. At the end, the judge came to the conclusion that they lacked jurisdiction because the substance was not even delved into. they found out that they didn't have jurisdiction to hear the details, and that's why it was referred to the National Industrial Court, my lord.
No. But when this suit was still pending, isn't it? Or is still pending?
It's still pending because main substance was not looked into. Yes, the judgment was given 6th of February 2025, my lord.
2025.
Yes, my lord.
So you now want to, incorporate those reliefs that were declined by the Lagos State High Court into this case?
My lord, the Lagos State did not go into the substance of the case.
Yes,
they
I
only
know.
Said they did not have.
It declined jurisdiction. It declined.
Yes, my lord.
So you want,
yes, my lord.
You want to bring in those reliefs that were declined, to.
My lord, the claimant has a right to amend his process, my lord, given the opportunity,
yes, but
subject to the.
Trying to say that isn't it overwritten after the matter has.
My lord, but even the defendant does not counter against this before the court, my lord.
That what?
He had by the records of the court. He had ample time to have responded to this process if he wanted to.
He's still saying that
but
he
did not.
Okay, Mr. Opara.
He has long been served, and if he wanted to respond, he had a number of days to have done that, my lord.
My lord, we have some internal problem. The principal of our firm passed on, and we could not really, even the processes they served, I'm sure maybe they had to throw it into at the door of the firm. My lord, there are some issues we need to understand. The first is, my lord, amendment of
Mr. Opara.
Yes, my lord.
Are you objecting to the application?
Yes, we are. We are vehemently, my lord.
Okay. Are you filing any counter?
We have not, but we now, since we have known about it now, we intend to file if my lord will permit us. But my lord, yes, can we use his discretion to deny it because it is overreaching? It will mean
deny what, please? If you want to object, file a counter, isn't it?
As the court pleases, my lord.
My lord, please. My lord, we are seeking for further time to fight.
My lord, they have lost the opportunity to file a count. They had ample time to have done that. 14 days.
My lord, the nature.
And so, okay, let's adjourn to enable them file because Stephanie.
Yes, my lord.
It's not just an ordinary something. We have taken witnesses. We have adjourned this matter for adoption of addresses. All the parties have filed their, final written address, including even the reply by the defendant, including even the reply. And the thing is that even this application is granted, we have to now go back. You understand? Then you file your amended processes. The defendant may also file his consequential amendment. Then we will recall the CW to come adopt his new deposition, cross-examine. Then we also enter defense again. So it's a new case. It's an entirely a new case. It's going to be an entirely new case because when we are allowed to amend, you are going to follow your amended processes, isn't it? Your witness is going to be recalled to adopt the new depositions. Then
my lord.
The defendant, may also file its consequential amended processes, and it also recall its witness to come and adopt the position.
Yes, my lord. My lord, the essence of all of this at the end of the day is so that justice will be served, my lord.
Okay, allow them to file a counter and see whether so that I will decide the application on on the merit. But yes.
At my law, please.
Yes. So, Mr. Opara, when should we adjourn it to for the
Your diary, please.
for the motion?
My Lord, if we can have 1 month, my Lord, I'm sure we'll be able to. Like I explained, my Lord, we have internal problems. The principal passed on, and we are trying to readjust. If we can have extra 1 month, my Lord, today at the same time of 12 noon, I'm sure my Lord will be able to make headway.
But Stephen, Stephen, I want to ask something, please.
Yes, my Lord.
It means while this matter was pending, there was also a similar matter against the defendant before the Lagos State High Court, isn't it?
Yes, my Lord.
And isn't
no,
that
it's not similar. That is strictly banking, my Lord. That's on banking issues, my Lord.
Banking as how? What was the claim before the Lagos State High Court?
It has to do with banking transactions, my Lord.
Like how?
Operation of his account, my Lord, of the claimant's account.
Operation of his account.
Yes,
the account was frozen or what?
No, it wasn't frozen. He had 1 or 2 issues that had to be resolved within the bank, my Lord, as regards his account, which was not within the jurisdiction of the National Industrial Court.
Then why are you bringing the reliefs?
But the judge declined and said it should be under the jurisdiction of the national, and I didn't have the jurisdiction to hear it, and so it was referred.
But the fact that he has declared jurisdiction, does it mean that this court also has jurisdiction? The fact
my Lord, he said it's within the employment issues, and so it fell within the National Industrial Court.
Again, what I'm trying to say that the fact that he has declared jurisdiction and held that is within our scope. Does that mean that it's still within our scope?
I believe so, my Lord. If the judge in his own knowledge feels that it is within the purview of the National Industrial Court, I believe so, my Lord.
My Lord, my Lord, if we may come in, my Lord, there are so many things that have been said in the process of this motion. First, any decision.
My Lord, our counsel cannot argue it orally. There's no counter before the court.
It's an issue that was brought up now. We can talk on it. My Lord, first, my Lord, a final judgment, sorry, my Lord, any decision on jurisdiction is a final judgment. That one is true. Then, my Lord, the High Court of Lagos State is of coordinate jurisdiction with this, my Lord's court. The High Court of Lagos State cannot decide the jurisdiction of the National Industrial Court. My Lord, I thought the claimant would have withdrawn this motion for us to move forward. But if you still want us to go ahead, my Lord, we go ahead, but we definitely ask for punitive cost because this is time wasting.
Cost against who?
Against the claimant. After matter had been concluded.
On what ground? On what ground?
My Lord, when we file, my Lord, on the ground that they are bringing a matter that had nothing to do with the matter before the court.
That is when the application is refused, isn't it?
My Lord, please, we believe
it's refused, you can ask for a cost, but why the application is still pending? How can you ask for a cost?
No, my Lord, not now. Not now. My Lord, will look into the meat of the matter and see that it is not done.
Today is 24th.
Yes, my Lord. My Lord, they can file within 14 days as prescribed, my Lord.
My Lord, we plead for the 25th of May so that if they have a reply, they will also be accommodated. Because we...
Okay, 20 what?
Calendar.
Mr. Opara, 20 what?
Yes. 25th of May, so that both our own counter and their reply can come in and be ready for hearing.
No, this you only have 2 weeks within which to react, isn't it?
Yes, my lord. I know we file within 2 weeks, God willing.
And they will file. They will have 1 week to, to file their reply.
As my lord.
Okay, let me check.
My lord, the second week in May is convenient, my lord.
Second week in May is which date?
Either the 13th or the 14th, my lord.
No, 14th is not okay.
Okay. 12th.
My lord, in the second week of May, the only date I have free is 11th of May. If it's not 11th, my lord, we can go to the next date I have free is 22nd of May. I don't know, my lord.
Counsel can take it, my lord, from his chambers.
Yes, we are taking this from chambers. But when you have a matter in court, you cannot be in that court and also be in your chambers. That one is elementary.
I'm saying any other counsel can take it. It doesn't have to be you. Or you can delegate another counsel to take that. And then
that is why, hold on. That is why I even suggested an earlier date to your own. I said 11th. 11th does not show. You suggested 12th and 13th. I said 11th is okay. I don't know what you will be quarreling about that again. 11th or 22. Those are the days that are free. I'm sorry, my lord. Some of these things.
Yes, 11th is a Monday, 22nd is a Friday.
Yes, my lord. Any of those dates will be okay for us.
Okay. So which one do you choose, Stephanie?
11th is fine, my lord.
Mm-hmm.
But that 11th, we should make it. I think we should make it by 2, because
my lord, 2 p.m. is perfect for me, my lord.
Yes, because
that's all right.
Since I have cases, I have to get done with them before I and there is another thing again. Sorry, Mr. Opara and Stephanie.
Yes, my lord.
If your papers are filed, how are they going to get to us?
We'll courier it, my lord.
Now, how are they going to get to
through the courier, through NIC Lagos office?
Yes, Stephanie.
Yes, sir.
I don't think those people will get to us before the next agenda date.
If the defendant files within the required time, within his 14 days,
because I know the division has this problem of sending sending mails to.
My lord, if we get the process on time, we undertake to ensure it gets to you in good time before the next adjourn date, my lord.
Because even your motion, I've thoroughly searched for your motion. The motion filed by the claimant for amendment, but I'm not seeing it in the file. Not seeing it in the file. So if you can gather everything, your motion, the defendant's counter, and your prospective reply.
If you
can gather them and send them, but today is 24th.
Yes, my lord.
If you'll be able to send them before that time.
As court, please. Yes, my lord.
Okay.
I'm most grateful, my lord.
Thank you.
Most grateful, my lord.
Thank you, Mr. Opara. So, given the circumstance, case is adjourned to the 11th of May 2026 at 2 p.m. for hearing of the claimant's motion via Zoom.
As court pleases, I'm most grateful. My lord, I see my lord is very strong. I wish my lord the good health.
Thank you so much.
And quick recovery, my lord.
I appreciate that. What about Mr. Paul?
He's doing very well, my lord.
Okay, my regards to him.
He'll hear, my lord.
Okay, thank you so much. Mr. Opara.
You're welcome.
Yes, my lord. Most grateful, my lord.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you.
Yes,
and in case of any other thing, I'm going to leave. I wish you good afternoon and happy weekend in advance.
Thank you, my lord. I wish you same, my lord.
Thank you, my lord.
And bye. Thank you and bye. Thank you.